Hello and welcome to Sherman Medical Supplies. Today in this video we're going to be doing an in-depth demonstration on the Solax Transformer 2 automatic folding scooter. The Solax Transformer 2 is an automatic folding scooter. It's a four-wheel travel scooter that is FAA airline compliant and very compact and portable. We're going to go ahead and dive into some of the various features as well as showing you how it folds and how you would transport this scooter. Diving into some of the features, we're going to start with the tiller of the Transformer 2. So we're going to get two keys and a key fob used for folding with the Transformer. When we turn the scooter on, we're going to have a gauge that tells us our miles per hour, odometer for our mileage, as well as a voltmeter for the voltage of our battery. Our battery life on the scooter on a full charge is going to be about 9 miles, up to 9 miles. We also do have our speed here, and the scooter has a top speed of close to about 4 miles per hour. Our horn. And we also do have front LED lights here at the bottom of the tiller here. Now we're going to go ahead and dive into how to fold the Solax Transformer 2. So the first step in the folding process is going to be the key here. We're going to turn that to the right, make sure our scooter powers on and beeps once. Then with our wireless key fob, we're going to have a button that opens and a button that closes. So right now we're going to close the scooter. We're going to tap that one time. The scooter is going to begin closing. And it's going to stop halfway as a safety feature. Once it stops, we're going to press that button one more time. It's going to come in and fully close. Once you hear those 3 beeps, you know you're all set and fully closed. So the final steps from here would be to lift your seat up, pull this latch here, and bring our tiller down, and then remove the key from the device. So now we're folded, 52 pounds, ready to lift this and put it into the car to travel with. When folded up, the Solax Transformer 2 does have an optional dolly mode. You're able to pull that latch here, lift the tiller to your desired height, lock the latch, and then you tilt it forward. So now you could wheel it around like luggage, either direction. Whenever you're ready, you can just stop and leave it. It's not going to fall over. And then when you're ready to finally put it in the car, again, we'll pull this latch, push down, lock the tiller, and now we're able to lift and put this into the vehicle. When opening our Transformer scooter, the first step that we're going to do is we're going to use the key and turn on the device. We're then going to use the key fob and press the open button. We're going to make sure we're out of the way of the scooter, let it open up. It's going to, again, just like the folding, stop halfway, requiring us to press it one more time. Once you hear those 3 beeps, you know you're all set. You're able to then just lift your seat up, adjust your tiller to the desired height, and then sit into the scooter. Some other features to go over with the scooter. If you by chance lose your key fob, you're still able to close it using the top tiller here. So as long as your scooter is powered on, you have both your open and your close buttons, and it's going to operate the same way as the key fob. So if we wanted to close the device and we don't have the key fob to press close, we'll press it on the tiller here, and it will do that same motion and same folding. Again, it's going to require us to press the close button one more time. And again, you just want to wait and hear those 3 beeps to know that we're closed. Some of the other features that the Solax Transformer does offer is we are able to adjust our tiller forward and back. Using the hydraulic here, we press it in and we're able to bring the tiller closer or further away from us if needed. If we were required to remove the battery by the airline, the battery is here in the floorboard flush. We're going to pull on the strap here, and it's a firm pull up, and this is our battery. It's important to note that the battery itself does not have a charging port on it. The charging port for the scooter is actually hidden right here underneath the tiller. And it does have a seal to close it shut to prevent any dust from getting in, as well as an open. And there's also a hidden USB port here if you did need to charge your cell phone or an electronic device. In case of emergencies where your battery is not working, the scooter is malfunctioning, you still are able to fold the scooter manually to travel with it. In order to do that, you have a big red lever here under the seat. We're going to lift that up. and then begin just pulling that lever up while pushing one side of the scooter in to a close. And then from here, it's the same steps of dropping the tiller down, lifting the seat up, and now we're ready to transport it in a manually folded mode. Here at Sherman Oaks Medical, we also do offer other folding scooter alternatives to try out in our showroom. Aside from the Solax Transformer 2, we also do offer the Pride iGo, which is a manually folding travel scooter. And we do also have the manually folding Golden Carry-On scooter, which is a more rugged folding scooter. These options are all available to try at our Los Angeles showroom. Thank you guys for tuning in to this in-depth demonstration on the Solax Transformer 2 folding scooter. This is a scooter that we keep here on display at our showroom located at 14120 Magnolia Boulevard in the city of Sherman Oaks, California, 91423. We also have it available on our website at www.shermanoaksmedical.com. Or if you did want to give us a phone call with any questions regarding the scooter, our phone number is 818-981-9906. Thanks again for tuning in.